Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you our EPS foam machine curing bed. A blower is installed at the bottom of the equipment to blow air upward, which helps push the material forward for conveying. During the conveying process, the material moves upward along the inclined surface from bottom to top. For larger agglomerated material, the stirring motor breaks it apart. The material then passes through a filter screen at the bottom and is conveyed to the storage silo. This position here is the discharge outlet, which can be used for sampling or checking the material condition. A cleaning device is also installed at the bottom. Any remaining material is automatically collected and cleaned through a hose connected to the blower. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.